Let me take you through the magnificent Craigdarroch Castle in Victoria, BC, an absolute gem that will transport you straight back to the opulence of the Victorian era. Now let's talk about this masterpiece. Built between 1887 and 1890 by the coal baron Robert Dunsmuir, this isn't just any mansion. It's a bonanza castle, a term for the sprawling homes of industrial titans who struck it rich during the industrial age. With its intricate stained glass windows, finely detailed woodwork, and lavish Victorian-era furnishings, this place is like stepping into a time capsule of the 1890s. Robert Dunsmuir was the wealthiest man in Western Canada, and he built Craigdarroch Castle to showcase that wealth. Although he passed away in 1889, his wife Joan lived in the castle until 1908, and their legacy is reflected in every nook and cranny of this incredible estate. The castle's 4 floors are packed with history, from Mrs. Dunsmuir's intimate sitting room on the 2nd floor to the expansive dance hall on the 4th. The architecture is stunningly Victorian, both inside and out, with plenty of rooms to explore. And for the little ones, there's a treasure hunt-style activity that'll keep them entertained as you delve into the rich history of the Dunsmuir family. Just a heads up, there are lots of stairs. So if you've got mobility issues, please keep that in mind. But if you're up for it, every step is worth the incredible journey through time you'll experience here. Craigdarroch Castle isn't just a historic site. It's a story of wealth, power, and the Victorian era brought to life. Trust me, you don't want to miss it when you visit Victoria, BC.